navigator.
Maybe something.
Right up under where that white BMW's at, smashers. We got the couple lines that are already going there.
Was it channel 10?
Yeah. Beat up part of the African rainforest now.
No, what's gonna
talk shit about Zimbabwe.
what's gonna get me though is this one.
It
Yeah.
might hit it, but you know what?
This is the one of the tallest ones.
Adrian, if it didn't hit it, it might be stuck on that power line. Well, yeah.
I know.
Squad 6, medic 436. Watch it. Away. North, Cross Street, Old Magnolia.
The fucked up thing is, go look at how young that wood is on the inside. That's what she said, yeah.
Bunch of way worse, man. That shit hard. Good ass.
I know, because I can't see. I gotta.
All right, can I get your first and last name, please?
That's Adrian Trujillo.
And Adrian, now what happened tonight?
I was just chilling in my room, and I got like a good vantage view from my window of like the whole driveway, and then I heard like loud like slaps or bangs, and I thought that, I don't know, I kind of thought it was gunshots at first, but you know, I'm glad it wasn't. And then as I'm looking out the window, like my uncle comes out the garage to look too, because they all heard it too in the garage, and then as I'm looking out the window, I just see the whole tree start to like slowly like fall and like it's like tearing from the base of it, and it just falls on top of all the cars in the neighbor's driveway. It's really crazy.
Man, like, so like, what were you feeling when you started seeing this crash down? Like,
I was
like what thoughts are running through your head?
At first, like I didn't even know what to think. Like at first, I just kind of like I was like oh shit, there's the whole tree's falling, and I yelled it out. And like, and then right when I said that, I put on some pants and my shoes, and I came outside to like look at everything from out here. It's really crazy.
All right, well, glad you guys are okay, man.
Yeah.